What is up, all you beautiful funnel hackers? Today's video, we'll be going over a couple of updates that we have made in Funnel Hacker Lab and what is in store for the future. So let's get this party started, all right, guys? So really quick, we just have a couple of updates that I wanted to make to you guys, so I can put this out to you. So first thing, as you can tell right here, we changed it over. So it used to be membership.funnelhackerlab.com. We switched it over to app.funnelhackerlab.com. We just liked it how it sounded. We liked it because it sounded better, pretty much. Next thing, as you can see over here, we still have everything. You got the package, the account, things like that. We fixed up a bunch of the bugs when it comes to resetting your password. Fixed up a couple of bugs like that. Next thing over here is, we also fixed up a couple of bugs that was actually in the funnel cloner tool, but more into that soon. Next thing you see over here, two new sections came up. First thing, the design on demand over here. So what this is going to be is our design on demand feature. So you're going to be able to fill out this form over here, put your name, your email, what niche you would be in, describe any specifics that you like on the funnel page template, and maybe if you have an example of the URL of a page that you want to model off of, maybe even your own website, so we can use like similar colors. Pretty much, you can fill out this survey, and it's going to go directly to my designer, our funnel designers. And from there, within 24 hours, which is our typical turnaround time for the funnel to be designed, we'll have the funnel designed, which we're going to, actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add another section on here of your Facebook profile, so we can tag you on our Facebook group as soon as you post up a video preview of it on our Facebook page, on our Facebook group. And then from there, we'll tag you on the Facebook group, and you'll be able to just copy and clone the funnel from our funnel library right there. So yeah, guys, it's going to be very simple. Like I said, I'm just going to add another section there just to have your Facebook profile name, so that, and all you have to do is just copy and paste your Facebook URL, paste it on there, just so we can tag you in on the actual Facebook group post when we make the actual funnel preview onto the Facebook group. Ooh, that's a mouthful. All right, so that's the design demand feature. It's nothing too crazy. It's just a way so I can organize it, because previous what we had is everybody just contact us and we got a bombardment of just messages and it's kind of disorganized. This is just a way to keep it more organized. Eventually in the future, we're gonna have a little progress bar on top of here showing all of the funnels that are currently being designed, so that you know where you are in the line of funnels to be made. Just make it a little easier. Just so you can see turnaround time a little easier. Next thing over here, design, assets, and training, same thing. Make money. So now this section isn't done necessarily just yet. It says coming soon. But what this is going to be is your own affiliate portal, where you as a user, as a community member, as a teammate, can actually join Funnel Hacker Labs, and you can also make 30% commission by using your little affiliate link. So on this page, it's going to have you sign up over here. It's going to give you a little affiliate link. It's going to show you three very key pieces of information. Like first, how many people have signed up on your link? Second thing, how much money have you made? And another thing is how many people have clicked your link. Okay, just to give you a couple pieces of information to help you track your sales and make you money. And also, and yeah, pretty simple. It's just going to be able to, sign up this survey that we're gonna have here. You're gonna enter like either your PayPal address or your bank details, so we just directly send you money, so it's easy. And what we're gonna be doing is probably gonna be linking this up with something called First Promoter. It's just another piece of software that we're going to be utilizing. The First Promoter, or we do have a couple other options that we might use, but chances are it's probably going to be First Promoter that we're just going to embed into the site. But yeah, guys, that's what it's looking like. Another couple of things is that the funnel cloner tool. So right now it's ClickFunnels compatible. In the future, we're going to make it Go High Level compatible as well. So not only can you clone other ClickFunnels pages, but you can clone other Go High Level pages. And anything you clone on ClickFunnels, you can paste it on the Go High Level. And same thing the other way around. Let's say you find a Go High Level page online. All right, find a Go High Level page online, clone that, put in the ClickFunnels. Find a ClickFunnels page online that's successful, clone it, you can Go High Level. Back and forth. Well, right now it's only ClickFunnels compatible. I'm thinking within a month and a half, we'll be able to make it Go High Level compatible. A couple other things that we're actually going to be implementing as well is we still want to implement the heat map structure, so that in your actual funnel page, you can check out mainly two pieces of information. What I want to see is where people spend the most time on your page and where people drop off on that page. So we're going to be able to add a little pixel onto your site so that you can get those two pieces of information, so you can understand how to optimize your funnel better. But yeah, guys, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, you guys have any advice for me to what I can add onto Funnel Hacker Lab, comment down below, put in our Facebook group, whatever you guys want to do. But I want to thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you later. Peace out, guys. I see you at the top. That's the top up there. Peace out.